Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Avalanche basically is a mid-position cryptographic money presently valued at $42.68 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $16, 100, 451, 180 in a sort of enormous manner. Over the past most certainly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Avalanche, laid out serious areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and fundamentally are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks incredibly. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and brokers especially are genuinely keen on digital currencies, for example, Avax, in light of the fact that this essentially is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately beautiful brief time frame in a huge manner. These profits in a real sense are somewhat impossible in lovely different business sectors, which really is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Avalanche, while the groundbreaking ones buy and large dedicate a critical piece of their especially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an especially significant manner. At this really specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $42.68 where it at present sits, which truly is very critical. As currently referenced, Avax is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the kind of metric that in every practical, still up in the air by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a fundamentally significant manner. On account of Avalanche, the market capitalization fundamentally remains at $16, 100, 451, 180. The significance of this boundary will really be truly made sense of later, which is very critical. Our cost forecast calculation is planned in sort of such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the genuinely present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to enough certainly survey the condition of their portfolio and by and large choose whether or not it actually should be reconfigured. Or so they most certainly thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which generally is genuinely vital for the very right assessment of both most certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its actual present and future heading, or so they basically thought. Beneath you will find exceptionally key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Avalanche market explicitly is going, showing that these profits are really unreachable in truly different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most truly moderate financial backers in every practical sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Avalanche, while the groundbreaking ones especially dedicate a huge part of their by and large funding to this quickly creating resource class. Yesterday, on February 29, Avax explicitly was esteemed at $40.19 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recollect that cryptographic forms of money sort of are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., showing how on account of Avalanche, the market capitalization really remains at $16, 100, 451, 180. The significance of this boundary will sort of be fundamentally made sense of later, which basically is genuinely critical. The cost change rate-wise over the said period most certainly added up to 226% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on February 23, Avalanche explicitly was exchanged at $36.78 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its sort of present situation in a kind of enormous manner. On February 1, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $35.13, the cost level that is at the distance of 21.48% from where it as of now stands, showing how 7 days prior, on February 23, Avalanche by and large was Exchanged at $36.78 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that very near its truly present position, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Market capitalization essentially is another significant in every practical sense metric that especially assists traders with, in a real sense, deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as, well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to survey the offer that Avalanche by and large holds inside the especially whole digital money market. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to especially is duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Avax in every way that really matters remains at $16 100 451 180, enough to name it the 10th, especially the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in a quite huge manner. Yesterday, on February 29, the market capitalization of Avalanche in every way that really matters remained at $15 196 728 310 in a sort of enormous manner. 7 days prior, on February 23, the capitalization of Avax essentially was $13 873 6300, or so they generally thought. A month prior, on February 1, how much most certainly capital streaming around this kind of specific market added up to $12 896 495 772, which really is genuinely critical. Most digital currency financial backers really stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain cryptographic money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which generally are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The sort of most extreme stockpile of Avalanche in a real sense is 720,000 as an Avax. The really complete inventory of Avax as of now certainly remains at 435,919,636 coins in a truly significant manner. The flowing stock of the digital currency under audit in a real sense is 377,229,996 Avax, or so they in every way that really matters thought. This Avalanche cost expectation wouldn't basically be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital currency brokers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in a sort of significant manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in every practical sense is happening on the rear of the exceptionally low exchanging volume, there especially is a by and large high likelihood that this move essentially is unreasonable and would in every practical sense bring about a bullish snare, which generally is very critical. Subsequently, it's critical to, in every way that really matters, examine the genuinely past and the sort of current exchanging volume of Avax request to, for the most part, comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength in a truly significant manner over the in every